around here. My name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out these amazing short summer haircut ideas. So looks like she's doing the big chop, cutting her hair really short, and then she's actually shaving it. So it looks like she's using the clippers to just kind of shave down her hair. And I think she's gonna be rocking that baldy trend. If you guys haven't seen my video on the baldy trend, I actually did a whole video on that, so definitely check that out. Shaved hair is definitely in right now. And then we have a curly transformation. So she started off with shoulder length hair, and the stylist is cutting the hair into what appears to be a pixie. So as promised, I'm going to be doing more curly girl videos because curly girls get haircuts too. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of cleaning up the lines. Oh, so she got this gorgeous short curly pixie cut. Such a fun style, perfect for summer. And then next we see someone with shoulder length hair. So she also ended up cutting the hair into a cute curly pixie cut. Very nice, love the bangs in the front as well, super chic. And then we have another shoulder length curly girl. And she ends up getting a curly pixie. Very cute. Love the final results with this one. Definition is very textured and nice and curly. Then we see a curly bob. Love the curly bobs. I always think they turn out amazing. I think the curly pixies are cute too. So next up we see someone with mid-length hair, and the stylist does cut the hair into what appears to be a bob. So she gets color as well. Just a slight color change, it's nothing dramatic. And then she does have a nice fresh bob haircut. Love the angled bob with this one, the side swept bangs, so gorgeous. And then it looks like we see another bob transformation. So this one looks like it's going to be more of a micro bob, neck length bob. Oh, so she does have natural gray, but it looks like highlights. They look really pretty. It looks like she got gray highlights. So she does have a middle part with this one. I love the pop of gray. Such a gorgeous haircut. So next up we see someone else with mid-length hair. And then bam, she gets a shoulder length lob with highlights. Gorgeous color combination. Slight wave as well. Oh wow, so she starts off with an angled bob. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of cleaning it up a little bit more. This angle is like very dramatic. It looks great with her face shape, her round face shape. And he does give her slight waves with this as well. This is more of a angled lob, I would say. And then next up we see kind of a purple pixie cut. Very dramatic color with that purple. Very pretty. It matches her shirt perfectly too. You go into the salon, like, can you do a hair color that matches my shirt? So next up, she starts off with mid-length hair. Oh, so she gets it cut into a gorgeous pixie shape. This is a classic pixie, all black hair color, love it. Yes, girl, work that pixie cut. Very pretty. And then next up, looks like she has platinum hair in the form of an undercut. So she's getting the back part colored like a pretty like pink. Oh, so this time we're not matching the shirt, we're matching the shoes. Okay, got it. Oh, this is like a funky mohawk undercut. I love the pop of pink in the middle, so pretty. Then we see this gorgeous pastel kind of pinky bob. Actually, this is more of a pixie cut. So a pixie is when the hair is a mixture of a pixie and a bob. This is really pretty. It's like a soft pastel rose gold pinky color. Oh, I am loving this bob. I love her outfit too. So she's dressed in this gorgeous leather and black. And the stylist is just giving like a rocker chic. Actually, she's doing more of like the old Hollywood waves with this. Ooh, this is really pretty. Love it. I love the necklace too. Like her whole overall style and aesthetic is just gorgeous. Then we see this stunning wavy bob. So the stylist curls the hair with the flat iron. Adds some volume with that powder product that she's using. Sets it with the spray. Damn, absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like and I will see you in the next one.